Hey everyone, it's Vanessa from Speedy Computer. Today I want to talk about net neutrality. The debate is, should internet service providers, ISPs, be allowed to control services for internet content? So, in a nutshell, net neutrality is the principle that individuals should be free to access all content and applications equally, meaning if I want to use eBay or Netflix or Google, that I can use Google instead of Yahoo and it will be the same speed, instead of being controlled by the ISP. So, really, should our internet provider be able to control who we use? If we go through AT&T and they have a contract with Google, it will be cheaper and quicker to use Google. But if I want to watch Hulu, they can charge me an extra price for using them and using that application, which doesn't seem very fair. We already get charged for internet. Now they want to slow our speeds and charge us more to watch Netflix? That makes no sense. They shouldn't be able to control what we view and how we view it. So, if you are interested in being charged double to watch Netflix or slower internet speeds, then don't do anything. But if you want to get involved and make a difference and try to protect our internet and ourselves and our rights, instead of being able to be controlled, then get interested. And there's some places you can go online to get involved, like votefornetneutrality.com or battleforthenet.com. Or for now, you can even Google it at the same speeds. Do something and get involved today to protect our internet.